In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Slides as images. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any single slide from your presentation into a clean JPEG or PNG you can share on social media, drop into a document, or send to a teammate without giving access to the entire deck. Start by opening the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load your files, then open the presentation you want to work with. If you don't see it right away on the home screen, use the search bar or browse your Drive folders to find it. Once your deck is open, look along the left or bottom panel for the slide thumbnails and tap the specific slide you want to save. This process exports only the slide you currently have selected, so pick the exact one you need. If you plan to export several slides, you'll repeat these same steps for each one. With your slide selected, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the More icon, the 3 vertical dots. This opens a menu with additional options. From here, tap Share and Export, then choose Save As. You'll be asked which image format you prefer. Select either JPEG image or PNG image, then confirm by tapping OK. Here's a quick tip to help you choose. JPEG files are great for photos, and when you want a smaller file size, which makes them faster to send or upload. PNG files preserve crisp edges and fine details, so they're usually better for slides heavy on text, charts, or logos. If you're not sure, pick PNG for sharper results. It's a reliable default for most slide graphics. After you tap OK, Google Slides will generate the image and save it to your device. Depending on your operating system, you'll typically find it in your Downloads or Photos gallery. If you see a notification, you can tap it to jump straight to the file. The image name is based on your presentation title and the slide number, so it's easy to spot. You can always rename it later from your file manager if you want something more descriptive. Keep in mind that the image resolution is based on your slide's dimensions. For a crisper export, design your slide at the size you intend to use. And if you need multiple slides as images, just return to the deck, select the next slide, and repeat the same steps. That's it. You've learned how to save any Google Slides slide as a high-quality image in just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!